Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm doing something a little different, probably not even close to what it really is, but I'm making fajita bowls. Basically just taking a bowl of rice and I'm going to put meat and veggies on it. You know, it may not be authentic, but I bet it'll taste good. So, I got things cooking already because I already did it in the other video, so let's get to it. Alright, so I got my red and green bell peppers cooking. I'm going to throw in the last of my flank steak. Put that in there. Alright. Nope. Broccoli's done, which means the rice is done. And the last of my fajita seasoning. Can add a little water as well. There we go. Oh, I should have waited till the meat was done. Crap. Got a little excited. So I am great. I'm going to end up boiling the meat. Got a little ahead of myself and I threw the water in there first. I'm going to end up boiling the meat. Damn it. Shoot. I might as well throw the mushrooms in there too. Alright, I think she's done. Killed the heat. Got my rice here. Sweet. Yes, I put broccoli in mine because I felt like I should be eating more vegetables. Actually, that made quite a bit. I think I'm going to have a second bowl of just meat and veggies. Exactly what's going to happen. Sweet. Alrighty. Piece of broccoli. The seasoning is good. Meat and broccoli. Yeah, temperatures. Whew. Well, got my attention. Got a little rice in there, meat, peppers, mushrooms, hot. Alright, so I got a near empty bowl, just a little scraping left. I don't think I used enough seasoning the other 2 days because when I think I maybe used half a package for that one portion, so the seasoning was pretty bold, so it was like, so, other than that, it was good. So, like I said, probably not authentic, but it still is tasty, so. Alright, I thought before I wrap up, I would show you how I clean up my cast iron. What I do is I use the cheap paper towels, just whatever, you know, Winco brand paper towels, to more or less mop up all the sauces and the greases and everything else then what I do, once I have everything out, so there you go. I'm going to do the same thing in the woods as well. Little kosher salt. A little kosher salt, because it's got an abrasive quality to it. And I get in here and I use that salt and the abrasive quality to scrape up any pieces and also the salt will pick up any grease, leftover grease residue. So you can probably see the salt picks up the remaining grease. And we'll just wipe it out. We got these blue shop paper towels. I like them because they don't fall apart as easy as the regular ones. Something kind of stuck in here. No problem. See, there you go. That's everything I'm pulling out of it. And then there you go. Clean. Well, as always, I appreciate everyone watching, and check out the links in the description for D with Native Tears for playlist. I'll try to make sure it's working this time. And then Shovelhead 8 as well. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.